Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Demon. I think this is a Challenger, Dodge Challenger Demon if I'm not wrong. So I really don't remember now. Okay, so this one is by RMZ City. So again, this is imported in India by Reliance. Now it is everywhere. You can just go ahead and get it. So but look for the dust. See, you can see the slot here. So you can just put your finger inside and touch the car. So because of this slot, it is getting, the dust is getting collected inside a lot. Okay, you can see the box here, which is so dusty and scratchy. Okay, so I bought this for I think 810, yeah, 810. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. So now as usual I need to unscrew this. So let me just take a minute for that. So here it is, guys. So one thing I just noticed now is I'm hearing some noise inside. Okay. It stopped now. Yeah. You can hear that noise, right? Not sure what it is. Okay, so this one is a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, and you can see the licensing here. This is official licensed product from Dodge. I don't want to remove the sticker. It will create a mess. Okay, so let's look at the casting here. Put some light on it. Okay, so the casting looks really nice actually. It's a bit heavy, not too heavy. So they have some kind of acrylics for the headlights, which is really nice. And there is the logo here. Let me just try to. Okay, the logo placement is really nice. And as usually you can see a lot of dust here. Just because of this dust, the paint is getting damaged. If we clean it thoroughly, it will be a little bit good. It does have some paint issues. As you can see here, there's a paint bubbling. It has rear view mirrors. Again, it doesn't have any reflective coating or anything here. You can see the Demon logo. So the tail lights are actually acrylics. The entire piece is acrylic. And SRT is written on the spoiler there. The chassis detailing is okay. It is not too good or anything, but it does look really good. The rims looks really awesome. The deep dish kind of rim, which I personally love. So the doors are openable. Let me just, again, I'm not sure what is actually, something is broken or not sure what that is. Okay. Here are the interior detailing. It's a bit tricky to show it in the camera. I can't even if I want to get close than this. Let me just see. I really don't know if you guys can able to. Yeah, I think you can see it now. It does look really nice. So okay, let's do a roll test. Again, this is a pullback car. Let's pull it back. I think this mechanism is broken inside if I'm not wrong. Okay, it is not really rolling that well. I need to pull a lot harder than I did for other two cars. So again, this tire is actually made of rubber. So the rims are actually made of, I think, plastic. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, it's plastic. So the hood here is actually, the intake is actually painted out. It is not doesn't have any slot or anything here. It is just painted here on the hood. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.